In this video, we will personalize my freshly installed Ubuntu 20.04, and I'll leave a card to the installation in this video and also in the description if anyone is interested. So let's just go to settings of my system and let's just see what all can be configured. So Wi-Fi is fine, network. Currently, I'm connected to Ethernet, that's fine. Let's just quickly change the wallpaper on the others. Let's just go for a dark screen on the. Let's just use an auto hide. Let's adjust the maybe the width on the bar icon bar as I don't want them to be that big. 34 seems okay. Yeah, built-in display position to the left is fine. Power, let's just say dim when inactive, no. Blank screen, never. That's fine. On battery power, when on battery power, just don't do anything, it's fine. Just let that be as is. Nothing. Display settings, that's fine. If right click, the touch is fine as of now. Keyboard is fine. Yes, VLC. Yes, basically that's how I'm okay with my local settings for now. And bit here, go to the default text editor. Let's just try. Okay, this is a mess. So let's try and have preferences here. Display line number fine. Display margin. Don't think so. I need that display. Status bar display and enable text wrapping. Word current line highlighting. Maybe I don't need. I use highlight. That's fine. Delete. Go with this basic one. Looks it how I like it. Let's just see whether the changes got persisted over. Yes, it persists. Better. Oh, okay. Yeah. Yep. That's about it for the personalizations as of now.